Using YouTrip for ATM withdrawals has become a reliable solution for travelers and international spenders looking to avoid high fees. YouTrip allows users to withdraw multiple currencies directly from ATMs abroad without the excessive charges typically associated with traditional banks. With the app linked to a multi-currency wallet, you can access USD, Euro, SGD, JPY, and over 10 other currencies at the current interbank rate. This ensures that you're always getting a fair exchange rate without hidden conversion fees. When withdrawing cash, YouTrip applies a transparent fee structure. For most currencies, the withdrawal fee is a flat $2.50 per transaction. This is significantly lower than standard bank fees, which often range from $5 to $7 per withdrawal plus foreign exchange margins. Users can withdraw up to $500 per transaction depending on the ATM's limit, while the app allows daily withdrawal monitoring to avoid overspending. The process is seamless. Once your YouTrip card is linked, you simply select the currency in the app, confirm your transaction, and withdraw directly at the ATM. The card also offers enhanced safety. Each withdrawal is protected by real-time transaction notifications, and the ability to instantly freeze the card through the app reduces the risk of theft or misuse. YouTrip supports chip and PIN ATMs worldwide, ensuring compatibility in most countries. For frequent travelers, this means consistent access to cash and local currency without worrying about unpredictable fees or poor exchange rates. The best practice is to plan withdrawals in advance, ensure your preferred currency balance is loaded in the app, and use ATMs that are part of major global networks to maximize efficiency and security. By using YouTrip, users effectively reduce costs, simplify cash management, and enjoy a convenient, hassle-free withdrawal experience wherever they travel.